In this video I'm going to show you how to share video note on Instagram. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for sharing video note on Instagram, just open Instagram on your iPhone, and as you can see, here is the home page of Instagram. Then tap on the message icon in the top right corner, and after that, as you can see, some people add their note on. So for adding video note, just tap on your profile icon, as you can see here is, and tap on the profile icon here. After that, it's open front camera. It's only using front camera. You are not able to switch back camera. So for adding video message or video note, just tap on to start recording. Then it will record a short video for video message, video note. So after that, tap on tick mark. So for remember, this video note will disappear after 24 hours. So tap on. You can also select the audience. You can follow, share public or close friend. So I'm selected the already follower. So then tap on share here. So this video note shared on my Instagram, as you can see. So that way you can add video, so that way you can share video note on Instagram. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.